Hello, testing, testing. Hello, hello. Hi, Fortuner, hello. How are you doing? Bam. I am here. Okay, today we're reviewing a premium hard problem on Leetcode. You can't even see this problem normally. Silas is second. Oh, hello, Silo. Wow. All the Indian boys are here. Hello. Okay, I'm doing a premium problem today. Usually people won't even be able to see this, because this one is super hard for me. I think it's worth a review. Ayo, finally caught the wild chat coding stream. Yeah, you did. I scheduled this stream like 15 minutes before it happened. I just felt like it. Fortune says, so check Discord, it's out. Say what? What's out? Oh, new video. Sick. I'll watch it later. You made a serious video this time? Weren't the other videos serious too? Okay, I'll check it out later. Okay, this stupid ass problem. Design search autocomplete system. Design a search autocomplete system for a search engine. Users may input a sentence, at least one word, and end with a special character. You are given a string array sentences and an integer array times, both of length n, where sentences I is a previously typed sentence, and times I is the corresponding number of times the sentence was typed. For each input character except hashtag, return the top 3 historical hot sentences that have the same prefix as the part of the sentence already typed. Okay, here are the specific rules. The hot degree for a sentence is defined as the number of times a user typed the exactly same sentence before. Basically how many times the sentence appeared before, huh? Okay. So if a sentence was typed 2 times before, hot degree is 2. Oh, Silas said I took part in an MCP hackathon. I think I have absolutely borked it up. Wait, why? MCP as in Model Context Protocol? Oh, wait. What's even a MCP hackathon? Are you guys coding the actual server that the LLM is interacting with? Or are you given like existing MCPs and you guys are supposed to make cool stuff with it? The return top 3 hot sentences should be sorted by hot degree. The first is the hottest one. If several sentences have the same hot degree, use ASCII code order, smaller one appears first. If less than 3 hot sentences exist, return as many as you can. Okay? When the input is a special character, it means the sentence ends, and in this case, you need to return an empty list. Okay, so it's the equivalent of... What's the special character? Is it the hashtag? Yeah, hashtag is a special character, so it kind of signifies the equivalent of a enter character in a Google search, I guess. Implement the autocomplete system class. Autocomplete system sentences times initializes the object with the sentences and times arrays. Okay. List string input character. This indicates that the user typed the character C. Okay. Returns an empty array if C is equal to the special character, meaning they enter the sentence, and stores the inputted sentence in the system. Returns the top 3 historical hot sentences that have the same prefix as the part of the sentence already typed. If there are fewer than 3 matches, return them all. I see, so we're just given a constructor, and then we have a input, which is basically whatever letter that the user typed, and we have to recommend like previously typed sentences based on what they typed. Alright. Yeah, yep, we had 2 tracks. Search up MCP Hackathon by Gradio. Gradio? Oh, by Hugging Face? Wow, 250 GPU credits. to every participant. Track 1. Extend the capabilities of your favorite LM by building a radio app to accomplish as you're building a MCP. Create any kind of radio app that demonstrates the power of AI agents using MCP tools or not. Oh, dang, that's pretty wide range of stuff you can do. Pretty cool. $16,000 USD in cash. What? It's pretty cool. Oh wait, first place is 2,000. Still pretty good. Okay. So back to this problem. So in this example, you're calling the initializer and you're given all these sentences to input in the initializer. Input. Oh, and these are all the times that these sentences were typed. 5322 a hashtag. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we need a trie. Tries are good for, so a trie is a tree-like structure with characters as the values, right? It was sponsored by Anthropic OpenAI. Well, I'm gonna go have fun. Dang. Those are pretty big boy sponsors. Okay, so obviously we need a trie to store, common prefixes in a tree-like structure. So like I love you, this I love will share the same nodes, and then they will branch off after the space here. We'll have a child node of Y and then a child node of L. Let's see, how should we go about this? So obviously we need to store if something is the end of a sentence, right? If they type a special character signifying the end of a sentence, maybe we can store like a boolean, right? That signifies if the current node is a end of a sentence. Also, where's Betty and what have you done to her? Oh, I haven't pulled up Betty in a while. I guess I got kind of bored of her. Betty is not a real person, by the way. I would not treat a real person like this. Betty is in the dungeon. What did I last do to Betty? She learned to make 3D experiences, I think. Hey, what about you? Where's your LM waifu? I haven't seen her in a while either. Wow, Silo, what a hypocrite. Accusing me of not paying attention to my LM waifu when you haven't done it either. Wait, have you? I have not looked. Okay, so what I'm thinking right now is a trie structure. Obviously, in each node, we should maybe have a boolean that signifies if it's the end of a sentence. Right? Should we also store the count? Yours is not a waifu. Oh, I guess I was using waifu as a general term, like anime girl. She is under development. Oh, okay. Alright, Silo. Whatever you say. So she hasn't seen the light either for a long time, huh? Okay, should we also store the count of each sentence in the end node of the sentence too? I really need to draw something out. Sumo Paint, where are you? I'm currently using Microsoft Edge. So drawing, my usual drawing extension does not work here. This is what Sumo Paint looks like now. Interesting. Edge? Yes, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Okay, here. So we're gonna have a trie-like structure like this. Let's say users have looked up the words B, A, D, or like B, A, S, S. That's a war crime against the Windows community. Hey, I have no choice. B, A. You know why I have no choice? And then we have a D. And then we have an S over here. And then we have another S over here. I know this is not the textbook solution, but what if at each node we store, is this the end of a sentence? And also the count of the number of that the sentence has appeared. Count. Yeah, so every time we get to a node, let's say the user just typed the B and then typed the A. So that means we have to do a, like any tree traversal downwards to the leaf nodes, right? And be like, okay, so we have BAD here, we have BASS here, you know? And then we can gather their counts. Let's say bad was done one time, base was done twice. Alright, let's hear your justification on why you're still on Edge, Lamau. Yes, see, I have a very good reason. So this Leetcode problem is only available on Leetcode Premium. I don't have Leetcode Premium. The only reason why I can see this problem right now is because I'm logged into my brother's account on Microsoft Edge. So I'm logged into my Leetcode account on Chrome. He's logged into his account on Edge. And I don't want to keep asking him to sign in and sign out. So yeah, I just kept his session, login session live on Edge. That's literally it. If I make him sign in on Chrome, well, it gets kind of complicated, right? We'll have to keep switching accounts, yeah. And Edge was the other browser on my laptop. I mean, not laptop, this is a whole ass computer. I guess I could download some other browser to do this, but for convenience, Edge was the only other browser I had, so yeah. Never thought you'd do it, but that's a good answer, yeah. It's also why I have this like little private info cover over here, this thing. It's currently hiding my brother's profile picture. Yeah. Though it's honestly not the end of the world if this flashes out, because the profile picture is honestly pretty small. Yeah, that's one way to do it, right? So if the user types in BA in the search engine, we would go here and then we would have to iterate down to every node beneath it, see which sentences exist. Literally any tree traversal algorithm, you can do DFS. And then in a outer list, we can compile all the sentences that have ended underneath A. Maybe put them in a tuple with their count. Base would be like 2. My handwriting is so messy. And then 1 would be bad. Yeah, and then we would sort this list, get the top 3 from this list, and then return it, right? So every time they type a word, it will be all of end time. Because worst case, we have to traverse through the entire tree. Ah, I see. So if they typed in M letters, we would have to traverse the tree n times. So M times N time. Yeah. What would it take to build the tree too? We have to do it for every single word too. N, still N time. Every single well, let's just say n time every single character in every single word. Sure. Okay. There is a way to do it in just n time, right? Not m times n time. So what you would do is every single node, you would actually store a list of every single sentence, like the entire sentences that pass through here. And then I guess we're assuming that as they're typing the letters into the search engine, we're keeping track of the current node. So then all you have to do is look at the current node, look at the list of sentences, and be like, oh, these are the sentences. There's no need to traverse the entire tree anymore. So you can almost get the, you can get the list of sentences underneath here in all of one time, assuming you're already on the node here. And then you can, sort them into this structure, right? The hotness and the actual word, and then sort them like this. So it sorts the hotness and then lexicographical order. Should we sort the times in the same list? The count should be the same everywhere, right? Maybe we can, in the root node, store just the counts. Yeah, and then we can just look up the counts. Naruhodo, I think I have a plan. So we'll have a try. Do we need to end anymore? Don't think we need to end anymore, right? We can just depend on this list. We don't need a count anymore. So all we have is a try, and each try has a value, the current character, and then a list of all these sentences that pass through this node. That has this node as a prefix. And then we have a counts in the main class of the try. Okay, that's all I'll do. Autocomplete system. So first we need a try class. Class try. Okay, init. Well, we first need a class for the nodes. Node init function define init, which has self, and then we'll take in a value. Self.value is equal to value. We have to have the node should still store the children that's below it, right? So self.children is equal to, let's have a dictionary where the keys are the letters and then the values are the actual node. Okay. Do we need anything else? I think we said that we wanted a list of sentences, right? Self.sentences that pass through this node, i.e. sentences that use this current character as the prefix is equal to empty string. That's it, right? That's all I said. I don't remember what I said. The value, the children, basic try, and then list of sentences. Yeah, okay. That should be good. Okay. Now for the try class. It needs a constructor too. Def init self comma. It doesn't need to take anything as constructor, right? So we just probably need a root node. Self.root is equal to self.node. That's how you reference inner classes, right? I think that's right. Vamc says, yo, what's up? Oh, hello Vamc. How you doing? How is your day going? Whoop. Hope it's going good. Let's just call this the root node for now. We did say we wanted a counts. Self.sentence counts. Sentence counts is equal to dictionary. That stores the counts of every single sentence, so we don't have to store it every single node. Vamsi says doing tries. Yep. I am trying tries. Okay, we're gonna need a function to input the given sentence. Right, they gave us a bunch of sentences down here. Yeah, so we're gonna have to input the sentence into the try. Let's just worry about the nodes for now. So add sentence to try. This is the sentence, I guess. Okay. Let's say the current node, because we're going to be iterating through multiple nodes, the current node is equal to the self dot root node. Okay, and then for every single character in the sentence, we have to be kind of careful here, right? We have to first check if the character we're looking for is a child of the current node. So we'll do if c not in node.children. Then we'll have to add the node corresponding to this character into the children. So we'll do the current node's children of the character c is equal to the new node with character c. Yeah. So now at this point we're guaranteed to have that child corresponding to c, so then we can do node, the current node is equal to node.children, grab the child with c in it. Yeah, that should be it, right? And then at the very end, I think we said that we wanted to have, yeah, we have a dictionary that stores all the sentence counts, right? So we don't have to store for every single node. Actually, let's just make sure we're setting up the basic try correctly. So in the constructor over here, they gave us all the sentences with the times, right? So let's do, for the sake of sanity checking, I'm just going to make sure that my try structure is right. For every single sentence in sentences, oh, I need to initialize my try first. So try is equal to new try. Okay, and then for every single sentence in sentences, try dot add sentence to try the sentence. Okay, for the sake of sanity checking, I'm just gonna print try dot root dot children. Wait, ooh, I might have to do some iterating on my part to print out the children. What sentences did they give us? So I'm looking for a I, okay. Dot children. So I should for sure exist. Dot value, and then space, L that should then exist. Root dot children. Dot children. Space. So these will compile if we did a good job, I guess. Let's return a bogus value for this function for now. For, all right, this is Java syntax with the braces or parentheses. Takes one positional argument, got two. Oh, I forgot the self over here. Node is equal to self.root. Wait, root is right here though. Try object has no attribute root. Root is right here though. What's wrong with this? Oh my gosh, did I do this thing again? The init function is not initting. Node is not defined. Oh, because self.node, that's how you reference the inner function. Nice. Okay, cool. So we're definitely printing it out in I. Is that a space? Yeah, that's a space. Let me print out one more thing just to make sure my trie is good. Dot children. So there should be an I in here somewhere. Children I dot value. Key error I. Is there no I here? I space, oh, it's an L. Okay. So now we know there's no I. Cool. I think our trie is correct. The nodes are being added there. Okay. So we said that we're going to modify this trie a bit, right? We're going to store every single sentence that passes through each node, and then we're going to have a sentence counts dictionary at the top. Cool, so at this point we're guaranteed to have the node corresponding to the character in the sentence. Danger 1928 says hi. Hello. What's so dangerous about you? Are you a menace when it comes to coding? Okay, so we're gonna do no.sentences dot append the sentence. Okay, and at the very end, we're going to store the sentence count in sentence counts. So here we're going to take in the times as well. And then over here we're going to do self.sentence counts of the current sentence key is equal to times. Cool. Let's check our trie again. So trie dot root dot children. We should have an I somewhere. Let's check its sentences. And then we're also going to check our sentences counts. Trie dot sentences. Is that what I call it? Sentence counts. Sentence counts. Yeah, let's just print out this entire thing. Print my sentence counts. And then just the sentences that pass through I. Go. For sentence and oh right, I have to change the way I iterate through these because both sentences and times are needed now. So for I in range length of sentences, trie.add sentence. Which sentence is it? It's the sentence at index I. Which times is it? How many times? Index I. Bam. Name sentence is not defined. Oh, it's plural sentences. Okay. So we have I love you, island, Iroman. Is it just Iroman? Iroman. Oh, Iroman. My favorite superhero is Iroman and Spooderman. Okay. I love you appears 5 times. Island is 3, Iroman 2, I love Leetcode. I don't think we're supposed to store the hashtag here. For C in sentence, so if C is equal to the hashtag, then we just continue. Actually, they never give us a hashtag, do they? It never appears here. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, our hash should be okay now, I think. I mean, sorry, not hash. Our try. It should be properly set up. Is tries hard? I think it's hard. But I think everything is hard. I think tries are basically just a tree where every node is a character and it represents shared prefixes like BAD, BAS. So they share the same BA nodes, and D and SS are there. This is a search engine problem, so we're supposed to recommend auto completions based on what the user has typed already. So if they typed BA, we should recommend them like BAS or BAD, that kind of deal. Yeah, okay. I think I feel pretty good about our try structure now. I think what we have to do is start implementing the input function, which simulates a user typing in a character. We kind of have to store the current. We have to store the current node that we're iterating on in the try, right? To not lose our progress. Oh, and every time they type a hashtag, we have to actually input the thing. Yeah, every time they type a hashtag, we have to store the inputted sentence into the system. Ooh, okay. Danger says thank you. Oh, no problem. So there's two things we have to do here. Let's do... I'm trying to think about how to proceed here. Let's just start implementing. Let's do the recommendation part first. We need a current node, right? So self.node is equal to try.root. This is the current node that we're pointing to. And then every time they type in a character, we would update this node that we're currently pointing to. Okay. So if this is the case where C is not equal to the hashtag, so if C, I think I'll just assume everything is not a hashtag first. So we'll have to first check, is the current character C a child of the current node? So if C in node self.node.children actually the more interesting behavior is if it's not in self.node.children, right? Then we'll have to actually add the node inside. So then we'll do node.children with C, is equal to new. Oh, we need this somehow. New trie.node C. That should be it, right? And then we return empty because we've never been here before. Like if you type B, we're like, okay, B is here, and then you type C. There's no way C is here, right? So we'll just make a C and return nothing because no other user has typed any sentence with that prefix before, BC. Okay, that makes sense. And then else, that means C is actually in the trie. So that means we'll have to actually get that new node. We'll have to update the node regardless, right? Node is equal to, for the next iteration of input, node is equal to the current node dot children C. Over here, this is the case where C does exist, so node is equal to child.children C. And then we'll have to return our autocomplete recommendation. For this, we'll actually have to get, we'll have to put everything in a list of tuples, right? Danger says, are you working professional? Yeah. I've been working in the industry for 4 years, I think. Whoop. Node.children C. Okay, this is the structure that I'm going for. I want a list of like tuples like that. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. How you land a job? By practicing Leetcode every day. And just applying to a lot of jobs. As you interview more and more, it becomes a little bit easier, but still hard. Any tip? Well, if you're entry level, Leetcode like your life depends on it. Most of what they ask in entry level interviews are Leetcode questions, besides the behavior questions. There's some famous lists you can practice from. There's the Leetcode 150 list, and then the blind 75 list. I practice with the blind 75 list, so maybe you can try to see what you think. So I want to do the ratings, like rating, comma, the sentence. So I think I need to go for a list comprehension, right? So tuple for sentence in node.sentences. Sentence with ratings. Danger says, oh, I do it, thank you. Yeah, no problem. So first, the sentence is just sentence. We'll have to get the rating of the sentence somehow. We should be able to fetch it from the trie. So trie.sentence counts of the current sentence, comma sentence for every sentence in node.sentences. Yeah, that should be what we're going for. I'm just gonna return a empty list so far, so I can just quickly do a sanity check on this. Fortuner says, alright, I gotta go for now. See ya. Make sure to check out the vid. Bye. Yeah, see ya, Fortuner. I will watch the video. Okay, so far the input function should work for all characters that are not the hashtags. For sanity checking, I'm just going to print out what this array is. Make sure I'm constructing it right. Sentence with ratings. And then down here, I'm going to return a bogus return statement again. And I'm going to test out my function. Invalid syntax. Trie.node. New. Trie.node. What's wrong with this one? Pranav says, no mens, never give up. A try is never last until you give up. Yeah, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Python, how to reference inner class. What about outside? Trie.node. Ooh, okay. How do I reference the inner class from outside? Can I not do that? How to reference inner class from outside the outer class? Pranav says, try into the solutions tab gives you more dopamine than gambling. I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it. Should I actually have put this node outside so I can access it anywhere? I think that's a better decision. Dang. Because I don't just use it inside the class try, I use it outside too. So I'm going to take this out, put it there. Okay, so this is just node now. There's no need for self.node. This is the same. And then now this can just be node. What's your Leetcode? New node. Invalid syntax again. Oh! I'm doing Java syntax. There. Now it's getting further. Node is equal to node. Cannot access local variable node. Is it because self.node? Ah, self.node. 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 Are you asking for my rating or my username? Self.node. Dang, there's so much self.nodes needed. Self.nodes. Please. Try is not defined. Try. Oh. Self.try. Self.try. Is this gonna work? This is also self.try. I keep forgetting to add the self for the instance variables. Try is not defined. Self.try. Self.node. All the selfs is kind of annoying. Oh, there we go. Now it compiles. Okay, so what happens when we type the letter I? It returns 5, I love you, 3, island, 2, iron, 2, I love Leetcode. Oh, that's correct. That is correct. We are making progress. So, I love you. Island 3. Yeah, island 3, I love Leetcode. Uh-huh. And then they type in a space. So it's just, I love you, I love Leetcode. And then an A. Is there no A afterwards? Yeah, there's no A afterwards. So this is correct. This is correct. Just want to see your stats overall. Oh wait, I just realized. Were you here when I was discussing why I'm using Microsoft Edge? Yeah, let me show you my stats if you're curious. I have to log into my account in Chrome. I'm currently logged into my brother's account in Edge. Oh, in case you're wondering, I'm not that type of person who has done like 1,000 questions or whatever. Wait, where did my Chrome tab go? Oh, I see. I am here. There's me. My recent contest ratings have dropped so much. It's because I was late for a bunch of them. They're at a really awkward time for me. Yeah. I just subscribed for content as well. Ooh. Thank you. Back to here. Okay, so this is good news. We can sort by rating now. We are on very similar level questions rating-wise, but you are way better than me. I'm pretty sure you might be better than me. This is a question I've done before. I'm reviewing it. That's probably why you think I'm good. I'm reviewing because I sucked at it the first time I did it. Okay, sentence with ratings. So we got that now. Next we have to sort sentence with ratings. Sentence with ratings. Can we sort it in place? Is that how Python sorting works? Python sort in place. Sorted. Key. Oh, I see. Does it not automatically sort the tuples by their values? You have to do this. Xclary says I always get confused between sort and sorted. Lol. Well, I don't even know if it's like sorted. Oh wait, yeah. If it's like sort parentheses and then you put the list in, like dot sorted. Python, how does sorting list of tuples work? Does it actually look at the 0th element first? So what the heck? It sorts tuples lexicographically comparing the first element, then the second. Ah, I see. This is exactly what I want then. I wanted to look at the first element first, and then the second one. Okay. So for this to work, I probably need to put my... I probably need to multiply the first number ratings by -1 so that it will sort in the opposite order. Sorted. Like that. Send into the ratings. That's how you sort in place, right? Sorted. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's print this out. So it gives you, I love you. What's the answer? I love you, island, I love Leetcode. I love you, island, I love Leetcode. Yeah, that's correct. I love you, I love Leetcode. I love you, I love Leetcode. Good, okay. Very nice for making progress. I want to make sure it's not just printing this order because, you know, it's already in this order in the beginning. I'm going to just put I love you. I'm gonna copy this test case and then just put I love you at the end, just to make sure it's not already sorted in the beginning. I love you, and then this 5 will go to the end. Okay, let's run this thing. So case 2. Wait, this is wrong, isn't it? The I love you should be first. Sentence with ratings. Why is it not sorting correctly? Ooh, I'm glad I'm doing this then. Sentence with ratings. Yeah, the -5 should appear first, right? What are you doing? Sorted isn't working. Sorted data. Print result. Sorted sentence with ratings. Huh. Why is it not? Why is the -5 not being sorted to the front? Why not try max heap? Oh, I could actually. I think I'll try sorting for simplicity first, just make sure it actually works first. Python, how to sort list of tuple. Yeah, it's sorted, right? Sorted. Why is this sorted not working? Do I actually have to put a key inside? Sure, I'll put a key inside then. Wait, but that's just the same thing, no? Isn't this kind of redundant? X, index 0. It feels like I don't need to do this. Oh, now it's working. Oh wait, no. Dang it, why? Sentence with ratings. Not to brag, I use CPP. Okay, CPP person. Wait, I don't get it. Everything online is telling me it should be sorting. Return sentence with rating. Is it just a printing thing? Hold on. I think now is a good opportunity to ask best friend ChatGPT how to sort. Well, why is this not sorting the tuples, the list of tuples correctly? Shy says, I am new but can't understand try. You forgot to use the sorted results? This returns a new list. Dang. What? Microsoft Edge lied to me. It said it would do it in place. how to sort in place. Dot sort. I see. What? Microsoft Edge AI lied to me. Dot sort. Return sentence with ratings. Up to the third one. Finally, it worked. Oh, I should probably write this down. I'm gonna get so screwed over in a real interview. I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna write this down later. So, apparently dot sorted produces a new list. Dot sort sorts in place. So dot sort was what I was looking for. Note to self later. Pronapsis. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it looks like these outputs are correct now, except I'm returning the integer 2, which is kind of inconvenient. What about return this list, sentence, wait, sentence with rating. So all I need is a sentence which comes second for sentence with rating in this. Go. I never close it. Oh, there. Go. Oh, it worked. Let's go. Oh, the stupid sorting thing. Okay. Do you stream daily? This is way better than watching manhwa recaps. Wow, that is some low bar you have. Better than manhwa. Oh, no, I'm not saying manhwa is bad. I'm saying this is better than manhwa, really? What manhwa do you read? Okay, we're not out of the woods though. Oh, do I stream daily? No, I do not. I used to stream daily actually when I was still searching for a job. Now that I actually have a job, it's a little bit less urgent. Late coding. I usually stream on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 11 p.m. PST, but no guarantees because, yeah, no guarantees. I have no set schedule. Those are usually the most likely times that I stream, but it's not guaranteed. Okay, these test cases pass, but I know there's stuff we haven't implemented yet. We haven't implemented the part where they input a hashtag character, which means they basically press enter on their keyboard and search for the sentence. So what I have to do now is track the current sentence. Self.sentence. The current sentence accumulated is equal to just that empty sentence. Congrats on employment. Thank you. I was really happy about it too. Pranav, me, unemployed despite Leetcode and good projects. Wait, why? Why do you think you're still unemployed? I even made a crypto payment processor and still can't get a job. Dang. I don't even know how to make a crypto payment processor. You sound pretty good. Is it because the jobs you're applying for have nothing to do with crypto or something? They're like, oh, project not related. I don't know. I have no idea what the job search is like for you. Okay, there's still some cases that we're missing, even though these cases pass. We have to watch out for the case that that the character is a hashtag. If C is equal to hashtag, that means we are going to end the sentence. So the current try self.trie. Self.trie dot, what was our method called again? Add sentence to try. So we actually have to add the entire sentence to the try now, because it's counted as a sentence that's been searched now. Add sentence to try, and then we add in self.sentence, which we've been tracking all along. And then you would just return empty list, because you don't return any auto-completion when they search for stuff. And then over here, we go through here and here if they haven't if the character is on a hashtag, right? We already returned here. We should append the current character to the sentence in both cases. There's probably some code optimization I can do here, because I'm seeing that I have a lot of duplicate code, but just for bare functionality, I'm gonna put this in both for now. So the current sentence plus equals the current character. Self.sentence plus equals C. And then, yeah, self.sentence plus equals C. And then at the end of a sentence, we should set self.node back equal to self.try.root. And then self.sentence is back equal to an empty, empty sentence, because they've already searched the sentence. We're starting over. Times. Oh. Add 1, I guess. I misspelled self. Cool. Sick. This is an amazing problem. TS shouldn't be locked behind premium. I think it's because it's an amazing problem, it's locked behind premium. Okay. Times. Okay, what I'm noticing here is that we do a replacement, right? We should be adding the times. We shouldn't be just replacing it. So we should fix this function here. Self.sentence.counts sentence is equal to we need a default. How do you get default value for a dictionary in Python? Is it like sentence counts dot get the sentence and then default to 0 plus times? Yeah, I think that's it. Sentence counts is not defined. Oh. Self. These selfs are gonna kill me. Okay. I want to add my own test cases for testing, because I know there's these two test cases don't cover everything. Let's do another input after this. What happens if we type another I? This should be updated with like I plus space plus A. So we'll do another I suppose. And then a space. And then A, yeah, just an A. Okay, let's run this. Invalid test case. 2 more inputs. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 2 more inputs. Wow, it just works. Okay, let me submit this. Oh. No, wrong answer. Why? 32 of 43. It's okay, we'll use this. L, that is an L indeed. Okay, so why is this wrong? They inputted I love you, Island, Iron Man, I love Leetcode 5322. And then they put it in I, space A, and then that's it. Wait, they inputted IA, enter, IA, enter, IA, enter. Oh. Wait, hold on, no. Wait, is it? So the error is coming on the last input, right? IA should be wait, no, the second to last one. IA. Why are there two IAs? Oh, is it because there's duplicates? IA. I'm returning duplicates. I think I know what's going on. No.sentences. There should be a set, right? Sentences? We can't have duplicates. Oh, I gotta change sentences everywhere. Okay. I know what's going on though. So it should be dot add sentence. That should be fine. That's weird. Sentences I. Oh no, this is fine. Sentences is this one. Self.know.sentences. That should be fine. Let's go submit. Let's go! Let's freaking go! How long did we spend on this problem? 1 hour 13 minutes. It's still so slow, but hey, faster than my first time. I think we got a faster speed too. I don't know why. I'm gonna bathe in my glory for a bit. This is a hard problem. Well, I think it's a hard problem. Tries are hard for me, okay? But I try to do the try. And I try again. If at first you don't succeed, you try again. Oh, that took a lot of brain power. Oh. Let's look at the editorial. How close was I to the... I think I'm pretty close, right? I've literally done this problem before. It would be weird if I'm not close. Try node. They have a root. Add to try. The current sentence, the current node. I don't know what this is. If the current character is a hashtag, then you add to the sentence. Reset the current sentence. Reset the current node. Else the current sentence dot append C. If C is not in the current node's children, then you... I don't know why they're doing the dead thing. Okay. Sorted sentences. They're doing sorted with the lambda. Hot losers. They're making a whole new list. I don't even have to use more storage, huh? And then you can optimize with a heap, okay? Sentences, try node. Where is the heap coming into play? Heap queue, okay. I guess that's the size of the heap. Items. I see. They're literally making a... They're basically doing what I did. They're making a list of tuples, and then they're literally instantiating a heap with this. Literally plugging it into the constructor of a heap. Heap queue and smallest. Okay, there's some things I need to write down for this. There's some lessons to be learned here. Let me get out my notebook. Yes, I still use a notebook. I am old schooled. I need to learn the difference between sorted and sort once and for all. You betrayed me, Copilot. You were just straight up wrong. How to sort in place is .sort. Okay. I'm gonna put an entry for sorting here. Sorting. So in place is equal to list.sort, and if you want a new list, then you do sorted. Sorted, yeah. In place, new list will be sorted, and you plug the list in. Okay. That was nasty. That was a nasty bug. Which platform is good for job search? Honestly, that's a hard question. Either it's recruiters who reached out to me on LinkedIn on my last job search, or I applied directly to the companies. Or you can try to hit up recruiters on LinkedIn and then beg them to give you a chance. If you know people who know recruiters too, you can ask them for introductions to the recruiters. It might be kind of scary, but they don't mind really. They literally get paid if you pass the interview, so yeah, connections do help. Oh, there's one other thing I should note down, right? The editorial. So this is apparently how you instantiate a heap with the limit with items. Let me look this up. Heap queue and smallest. That's looks like such a convenient thing to learn. Built-in Python heap. How does heap queue and smallest work? Returns the n smallest elements from an iterable efficiently using a heap. Dot n smallest, and put in a list there. And then it returns a list. Returns. Oh, that's a convenient thing to learn. Okay. Okay. Oh. Your LinkedIn ID? Oh, I'm not giving you that. That reveals my true identity. Yeah, sorry about that. Is my Chrome window still open? Oh, it's still open. Okay, there's one more thing I want to practice. There's one more thing I want to do here before I drop off. I just realized the music might be way too loud. Is the music way too loud for you guys? I accidentally set it to like really loud volume. Oh. Sorry if the music has been blasting in your ears. Have you guys heard of strudel? It's a site where you can code music. I made a new routine recently, I'm gonna practice it. Settings. There we go, that's my favorite theme. Nope. Okay, well I'm just gonna practice I'm just gonna cool down from all that leak coding. Too much brain power used. Let me know if it's too loud, by the way. Hey. I don't know why I just go silent sometimes. Maybe need to reload. Are you guys ready for the drop? It's not a huge drop. Hey, 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 hey. Dana, bana, mana. Bana, bana, mana. Bana, bana, mana. So funny. Really? Autocomplete doesn't work right now? It really doesn't work, okay. You guys want to see something cool? You can code sliders in here. Are you ready for the build-up? Isn't that so cool? You can literally code sliders in here. Watch this slider. I'm like a DJ. Pretty cool, right? I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is like a routine that I'm trying to practice and get good at. It's like an instrument, you know? I'm literally gonna do the same thing again. Which tool is it? It's called Strudel. It's here, strudel.cc. It runs in a browser, it's pretty cool. Isn't it amazing what a bunch of hi-hats can do for you? If I add in the hi-hats, it just starts grooving. It's supposed to play sound here, but I don't know why it's not playing sounds. Da-na, da-na-na-na. Da-na, da-na-na-na. actually tried a bunch of music coding libraries before. I think it's the coolest how you can code sliders here and do build-ups though. It's still kind of inconvenient, but it's more possible here. Sorry, too loud. I don't know, I think that's so cool. One more time. Are you ready for the drop? Alright, I'm done for today. I hope you enjoyed the mini concert at the end. I'm done. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Thanks to everyone who came. Thanks Icebot, Sidhesh, Fortuner, Danger. I'm gonna go now. Bye.